Hello, I'm Honey. Welcome to Honey Bits. It has been drizzling here from morning. Who can resist a hot cup of tea with a chicken cutlet in this type of weather? Today I'm going to make a chicken cutlet. It is one of my favorite snacks. My daughter likes it very much. So let's get started. To make the cutlet, here I've taken 2.5 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1.5 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, both finely chopped, 6 green chilies, chopped curry leaves, two medium-sized onions chopped, and spices, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of fennel seed powder. So 10 drops of lemon juice. This is 2 mashed potatoes, medium sized. This is 500 gram chicken. I cooked it in a pressure cooker with a pinch of ginger, pepper and salt. I cooked with the weight on in the pressure cooker in the medium heat for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, open the lid, and if there is still water, you have to cook it again for 3 to 4 minutes till all the water evaporates. And then mince it in a blender or a food processor or a mixie. Then salt is needed, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs and vegetable oil to fry the cutlet. Keep a pan. When the pan is hot enough, add coconut oil. When oil is hot, add ginger, garlic and green chilies. Be careful to keep it in a medium heat and not to burn all these. After about 1 to 2 minutes, add the chopped onions, half of the curry leaves that we have taken, and some salt, which will help to cook the onion fast. In about 5 to 10 minutes, the onion has turned into a light brown color. Then keep the flame in low heat and add the spices, garam masala, pepper powder and the fennel seed powder. Mix them well, and after about 1 to 2 minutes, add the minced chicken to the pan. Mix well and add about 10 drops of lemon. Mix and cook for another 5 minutes. Also remember to add the rest of the chopped curry leaves. After about 5 minutes, switch off the flame and add the mashed potatoes. Mix well. I'm going to wait for like 10 minutes. It's cool enough so that I can mix with my hands. Now I'm going to make patties. You can make it into any shape or size. I'm going to make small round patties. I got about 27 patties from 500 grams of chicken. If you need to freeze some of these patties, you can use a Ziploc or any airtight container. I like to use a Ziploc. Be careful to keep the patties like flat not one over the other, not crowded, so that it's very easy to take. Here I'm going to dip the patties in the egg. These are 2 eggs beaten really well, and then coat it in this breadcrumbs. If you like to add some salt and pepper to the eggs, that's fine, and it will be really tasty. I'm going to dip this patty in the egg, beaten egg, and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Be careful to coat it really well. I'm going to fry these cutlets in batch of 5. So keeping the 5 coated patties together. Meanwhile, I've kept a pan with oil in it. I'm using vegetable oil to fry the cutlets. You can either deep fry or shallow fry or slow cook it in a pan. Make sure to keep it in a medium heat, not to burn the coatings. After about 1.5 minutes, I turn to the other side, and in 3 minutes our cutlet is ready. I like to have it with ketchup and with onion lemon salad. Thanks for watching.